So let's talk about DIY, do it yourself. And the reason I want to talk about this is because yesterday I was visiting with a family that I work with. And I put that in quotes because the husband started talking to me and she just wanted to come in for the first 20, 30 minutes, review what has happened to her investment plan that's serving her income needs. Everything's in place because her bridge payment, her supplement stopped. Several months ago, we had to turn on the investments and do just that. So she was more than happy. After about 35 minutes, she says, okay, can I go now? And then he wanted to talk. He is more of a do-it-yourselfer, but he's not convinced he wants to be. So let's talk about 3 points. Number 1, what happens if you make a mistake? What will occur to your retirement plan? Number 2, what if you don't want to have the worry associated with investing for yourself? Number 3, you don't have the software or the means to understand how can you test the money to see if it lasts a lifetime, your lifetime. And more importantly, what happens with all the different scenarios in past markets and future markets. You may have heard of Monte Carlo simulations, like over 1,000 different markets. Will your money last as long as you do? You may not have the resources, the time, or the wherewithal to find out about those things. So that number 1 reason, not being sure of the investments, guess what? You can access somebody who's a fiduciary who should be looking after your best interests, and they have a long time span of experience with all sorts of various investments and financial planning, or you just entering into it. It could be very challenging for you. Now, some people do not want this worry. It's like taking on a new job after they've already retired from their old job. And they say, well, I thought this was going to be enjoyable, but the more I look into it, the more I realize this is a job. I didn't think I wanted to work anymore. There are a few that enjoy it. And for those who enjoy it, you might still want to access a professional for a portion, perhaps the foundational investment, the rock-solid income investments that create that reliable monthly check. Some enjoy it. For the most part, most do not. And they don't want to take on another job, which could take a good decade to truly understand the different investments. That second point, if you make a mistake, you might not be able to recover. What do we mean by that? Well, if you make a mistake in an investment that you didn't think could lose money or wasn't supposed to lose money, and then it goes and drops 20%, and then you're still pulling out your monthly income, it may never, ever be able to get back to that point that you started from, let alone inflation adding to it. So the worries about making a mistake that you can't recover from is a real one. And that third point, you don't have the resources to know if you test your money. Can you? Do you know if your money's going to last a lifetime? Will it last as long as you? What's the solution in place if you pass away for your wife or your husband? And most of the time it is the men that want to do it themselves. And so if you do pass away, what's going to happen? Because if you are doing it yourself, you take all that experience and that wisdom maybe with you. So then what are you going to do? So therein lies the rub. We could liken it almost to, and I'm going to tell you something. When we talk about will your money last as long as you do, oftentimes there's an issue of have I left too much money on the table that I wanted to spend and enjoy. Oftentimes you don't know how to test that either. We can feed these numbers into the software and say, look, if you take 30, 40,000 out this year to pursue that, trip that you always wanted to take, or you remodel the kitchen for $75,000. What's going to happen to your retirement plan? Let's create another one where we can create yet another software scenario, put it in there, see if your money still lasts into your 90s or what have you. So if you make a mistake that you don't recover from, we could liken it, let's say, to cooking. You have all the ingredients to make a delicious meal, but you've never cooked before. If you start making the meal and it doesn't turn out right, fish is a prime example of this. If you overcook it or you undercook it, bad meal. And it could be very expensive. And so you have to throw it away, and you may not have anything left in the fridge to make dinner that evening. What are you going to do for your meal? This could be something that you don't recover from. You can't get that back. So in this case, if you have somebody there who's experienced with cooking, they could come in and say, look, here's the ingredients you have. This is what we're going to do. This is a temperature we're going to set it at. This is how long we're going to cook it for. This is how we're going to sear it, but not too long. This is how we're going to broil it, but not too long. Oh, take it out right now. Otherwise, you're going to ruin it. And you've got somebody behind you with wisdom, with knowledge. And then you have a reliable, not just a reliable meal where you have to eat because you're hungry and you just eat it because you're so starving, but you have an excellent meal day after day after day because you've got a cook, a chef who really knows what they're doing, who has experience over time, and they're giving you a varied diet, one that feeds your body. Not just that, for good health, but it feeds your mind and your heart. You feel good emotionally. You feel good physically, maybe even spiritually. And all this because you have the time not to worry about these things because you've put your plan into the hands of an expert, somebody who understands these things and is looking out for you and your loved ones. Did you enjoy this video? Then smash that like button. Drop a comment with your thoughts. Love to hear from you. Don't forget to share this video with your family, your coworkers, and your friends because they could benefit from it too. And videos just like it right here. And remember, subscribe for more valuable content like this weekly.